Hey guys, Morgan from CJ Pony Parts here, and today I'm showing you the Ford Performance Air Oil Separator Kit. This Air Oil Separator Kit fits 2024 50 GTs and Dark Horse Mustangs. This Ford Performance Air Oil Separator Kit has precision molded canisters with unique filter media. And for those that don't know, this is a must-have necessity after you upgrade your air intake. This has an easy-to-drain design, so if you want to pick this up and keep your 2024 Mustang safe, you can do so at cjponyparts.com.